The project tree shows all the system's devices based on the system's physical or logical layout. This is invaluable to technicians and building service personnel who can pinpoint the location of a specific device with a glance at the on-screen tree. The project tree allows the operator to interface with any device based on the description of the area in the building or the function of the device. It's completely customizable. To manage a device on any other addressable system, the address of that device in the system must be known before touching the panel. In larger systems, this means getting the device address, the address of the loop controller to which that device is connected, and the panel address where the loop controller is installed. These must all be determined before anything can be done in this system. With the EST4 project tree, the device can be located based on the common English location of the device. If I need to disable the smoke detector in the elevator lobby on the 3rd floor of the Edwards Complex high-rise building, I can go to the project tree. Simply expanding the project tree, expanding the high-rise building, and then expanding the 3rd floor, I can find the elevator lobby smoke detector. This screen is showing me the maintenance information for the Optica smoke detector. It's showing me the current threshold that the detector is sent to, which is basically the sensitivity of the detector. There's 5 different options, but these are all within the UL limitations for smoke detectors. In addition, it's showing me the percentage dirty. The detector electronically compensates for the dirt buildup inside the detector. Since this is an electronic compensation, the range is determined from 0 to 100% of its capabilities. This detector is showing about 3 to 4%, so there's still quite a bit of compensation range available. At 80%, the detector will report a monitor condition for the detector being dirty. At 100%, the detector reports a trouble condition, indicating that the detector needs to be cleaned or replaced. Panel and field devices are arranged in the project tree by the programmer so that the devices are accessible in a logical manner. The project tree is designed to be customized to the facility layout as a representation of how the building occupants and maintenance people would be most familiar with. Note that up to 99 unique system users can be assigned their own credentials, which could be useful for tracking who did what during an emergency. If I log into the system with the proper credentials, this same process through the project tree allows me to manage that device, including disabling, enabling, testing, and many other functions. These are all possible without needing the device address. So once I log in, another event is created, which is a monitor point. If I go to that monitor point, it shows me that a user has logged in. In this case, it's me. So I can silence the panel beeping. Now when I go to the project tree, I expand out the project tree, go to the high-rise building, go to the 3rd floor, scroll down to the device I'm looking for, the elevator lobby smoke detector. Now I'm showing the same information that we had before. I still have the ability to pull up the maintenance screen, but in addition, I have many more options. There's disable, enable, on, and then several other screens of optional buttons. At this point, if I click on the disable button, a disabled point occurs because I've just disabled that detector. And I still don't know what the address of that detector is because I don't need to know that anymore. The project tree eliminates the need to knowing that detector address as long as the project tree has been updated with any renovations in the building. At this point, if I want to re-enable that detector, I don't need to go to the project tree. I can just go to the disabled list, locate that detector, and just touch enable because I'm logged in with the proper credentials. So I just disabled that detector and then enabled it from the disabled list without knowing the address of that detector. My monitor point is because I'm logged in. Once I sign out, the system goes back to normal.